So the first thing is the market's going down. What are we supposed to do with our money? That's the first question.
Yeah, and that's the $1 million, $100 million question that everybody's asking. But here's a salesman answer. It depends. It really depends on what stage of life you're in and what those funds are for. Just to back up a second, 26 years of doing this. I talked to Trudy the other day, and I came home, and obviously the markets were there to be for clients and hold their hands and do that thing, but I just don't have much anxiety about this market, which kind of catches people off guard when I say that, but I just don't. Nobody knows about this COVID virus. I'm not going to pretend like I know about it. I'm not a doctor, right? But that unknown is the part of the equation that people inside of the market, the people that are controlling the markets, doing the buying and selling, that unknown is what's kind of been the scarcity mindset. And so for me, being down, 30% today, we're down 30% from the peak, which was just in February.
Yeah.
30% being down is big.
Yep.
But it's not unusual. It's not different this time. And I think that's the piece to me that keeps me grounded with where we're at, saying, man, these prices just got really cheap in order to do some buying into this market. And so my perspective has been, and it kind of has to be in this business, a little bit half full, right? But I don't think it's different this time with regards to the market piece of it. So yeah.
So are you taking phone calls left and right at your office, or are your clients kind of dialed into this mentality?
Yeah, so we have been getting some phone calls. We've been getting some emails, but I just had someone on my team today say, I'm really surprised at how few phone calls and things that we've received over that time period, over the last couple of weeks. And I think that that's just a testament to how we work in our office and how we have things set up. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you I'm smarter than everybody else either, and we're the best ever. But I think we've did a good job over time making sure that clients have their assets in different buckets, and and not everything's all going down in the market.